Well, hello and welcome. Today I have something really cool to show you. I've really been enjoying using this on my stream, but basically when you receive a raid and you want to celebrate and give a massive shout out to the person who just raided you on your Twitch live stream, how about being able to actually pull a clip from that person and play it on your stream? Well, today I'm going to show you how. So this is another really easy one to set up. I'm going to leave the link for the site that you need to go to get hold of this absolutely free tool down in the description. Just as a note, on the bottom of that webpage there is the option to go ahead and donate, which I advise that you do if you find that this is really useful, as somebody has taken the time to create this for you to use for free. If you can't, don't worry, it is there available for you to just go ahead and use. So click that link and let's have a look. So clicking that link will bring you directly here. Now this has actually brought you directly into the shout out tool. You'll see on the left hand side there are lots of other tools, so be sure to take a look at all of those other things if you enjoy this one. The one that we're looking at is the third one on the list, which is the shout out player. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is to enter in your username, so your Twitch username. So go ahead and choose that. I'm going to show you mine, for example. Once you've done that, you can then choose whether you want to allow this to be triggered by channel reward options. So you can actually link this so that somebody can redeem a channel point reward, and that would then trigger the shout out. So if you want that one, go ahead and turn it on. I'm actually not going to do that. I just want this to happen when somebody types a command in one of my mods, or I type in a command such as shout out and then the person's name. I actually have this linked using Leoran board so that when I get a raid, it triggers automatically. So that's also an option too. So in this case, I'm going to choose off. The next box up here is for max duration. Now, quick clips all tend to be about 30 seconds long. So I tend to set this to 30 seconds, but you could limit this right down. Maybe you just want 10 seconds, for example. So for me, I'm going to leave that as 30. Now, by default, the shout out will also have some text above the clip when it plays, which tells you the streamer's name that is being shouted out. If you don't want this there, you can turn that off. It might be that you have your own text that pops up in your own font, for example. So there is that option there as well. And you can also choose whether you want it to be muted. So if you don't want the audio to come through and you just want to see what they look like and what game they've been playing, that's quite a nice one as well. Now for me, I'm just going to leave them both as it is for now. And down here at the bottom, the next option we have is to be able to go and add custom commands. So the default commands are listed up here at the top. The one that I use is the !SO for shout out, followed by the streamer name. So something else you can do here is really cool. Let's just say that within your community you have an absolute legend and you want to shout them out specifically with maybe a command that you're going to link through. So I'm going to pick somebody from my community, check them out, they're fantastic, and then in here we would just add in their username exactly as it is in Twitch. And what that will do is whenever I type in this command into my chat, it will automatically play a clip of that individual. So that's a really nice one if you just want to give a shout out to your fellow streamers that may also be in your community. In this case, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm quite happy with just the shout out command. And if we scroll down a little bit further, you will see we get our browser source URL. And we can see what it's done. It's put on the end that the clips will only be 30 seconds. You could actually do multiple ones of these for different things with different timings and different setups. You would just need to save a different browser source URL for each one. So let's copy that to the clipboard, and the next thing that we need to do is go into OBS or whatever streaming software that you are using, and you're going to paste that in as a browser source. So I'm using OBS, so let's pop in there. So in OBS, what we need to do is we need to come to the little plus down here at the bottom of our sources, choose add. We're going to go to browser source. We're going to add this one in. We'll call this one shout out and choose OK. And then in the URL here, we're going to replace that and paste in our twitch.guru link into the top there. Now for the size, I would always make this your canvas size, and then you can shrink it down because you may want the clip to fill the entire screen, or you may just want it as a small little shout out somewhere. I'm going to set this to 1920 by 1080 so that it would fill the screen. Don't need to do anything else, just choose OK. So how this sits at the moment, it's on the very, very top of my entire overlay. I don't really want that. I want it just to replace my game that I'm playing. So what I'm going to do is, you can see it's at the top here in my list. I'm just going to go ahead and drop that down. It's going to be underneath the border, but above the game, and just pop it in there. So it will appear just here in the middle, but my camera will remain on top there. If you're not familiar with OBS and all of these things that I'm talking about, be sure to check out my OBS beginners tutorial. I will link it in the card and in the description in all the places. So we can see that's going to be a little bit too big. So let's just shrink that down just a touch there so that it's going to fit into our little box perfectly. And now we just need to test it. So I have a really handy little tool here that is a plugin by Stream Elements. It is called OBS.live. So if you go to Stream Elements and look up OBS.live, this will allow you to add a plugin for OBS, which gives a few little features that are within your OBS. So the one I really like is being able to have your activity feed and your chat available in OBS. So for testing things like this, it's really handy to have the chat. So I don't have to go to my Twitch chat to be able to test triggering all of these things. I can just do it directly from my OBS. I don't even have to be streaming. So I've added this down here just so you guys can see as we type the command in what it does. So let's go ahead and do the command shout out, and I'm just going to shout myself out. So fingers crossed for a good clip. Quick intro to you guys. Let me switch on to this. My name is BEKZ. I don't even know if I'm a variety streamer. Oh Christ, I'm a banana. Classic banana. Why do you do this to me? I'm trying to be like, hey guys, welcome in. Oh God, so awkward. But how much fun is that? And that is it. I am so into this. I love showcasing my fellow streamers, friends, people who take the time to share their communities with me. I want to show my community a little glimpse of what it is that they do. So this is such a great tool for helping do that when you receive a raid or you want to give a fellow streamer a little bit of extra love in your stream. So if you found this useful, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. All those things I love, love, love. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.